Hey, let me introduce you to the Model T2. Model T2 is what we call our base model. All our gyms, all our tension mounted gyms are modular, and this is the first block of a modular systems. So Model T2 is literally a ladder with two sets of pull-up bars. We call the entire thing a pull-up bar, not the most proper name, but this is what it is. That's the actual pull-up bar. Comes with two of those, but one of them is installed in this particular configuration. You have options. You can have one facing this way, another facing the other direction, or you can have it in a butterfly style, so to speak. And Model T2 comes with the four add-ons: the rope, the rings, the trapeze, and the rope ladder. Each serve a particular functionality, and they all come with this particular gym. So if you look a little bit closer, I wanted to show you just for a second the quality of our gyms. They're made out of steel. This is a high quality powder paint, and these are texture bars. You see, we designed it to have no sharp edges so your kids don't scratch their hands. All of this is non-toxic, made from a high quality non-toxic plastic, non-toxic paint, and this is steel. So this holds 220 pounds of weight on a particular point. So I can easily jump on this. I'm 163 pounds, and you can see it holds me pretty well. Right, so this is Model T2. It has the smallest footprint of all because all it takes is 19 inches wide ladder. And if you look on this side, so if you look from this side, this is how much space it takes, only this much. So if you put all these add-ons away, all of this away, tuckle it in, that's how much space it takes. This is a super compact yet very functional model, and it's a great starter, especially if you have one, maybe two kids. And once again, our gyms are also modular, which means that these pull-up bars, you can raise or lower them according to your kid's height. So you can raise or lower them based on how high you want that pull-up bar to be. And this particular feature is what we designed for kids that are into gymnastics. So if you look from the side, you will see that my arm and the shoulder are in a straight line. So if I want to do, all this kind of exercises that kids do way better than I do, that's what it's for. So super high quality, standard, what we call a base model. And is the reason we call it base model, because this part will also go into Spider and Spider Max models. So Model T2.